more such yummy videos like this, please tap on the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon for regular.
Hi there, this is Deepak Kshatriya and welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's kitchen. And today I am going to teach you how to make world's famous fried chicken. Actually, in the regular fried chickens, it would be very bland taste. In my DFC, just like KFC, I am giving it to my twist and adding some desi masalas and making it more spicier and more crispier. And today I am going to share my secret recipe with you how to make my version of fried chicken. So without further ado, let's see how this is done. For this, we take a bowl like this. We'll add a 1.5 cup of buttermilk. We'll add a half a teaspoon of salt. And now we'll add a quarter teaspoon of crushed pepper. We'll add another quarter teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds. We'll add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add a 1 whole egg. And mix well. And for this we'll add 400 grams of chicken drumsticks, which are nicely washed and gashes have been given. And now we'll add this to the mixture and let this chicken brine for a minimum of 4 hours. Step 2, we take a plate. We take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that's maida, 2 spoons of corn flour. Let's add salt to taste. We'll add a quarter teaspoon of a coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 spoons of breadcrumbs, and a teaspoon of crushed corn, 1 teaspoon of a garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder, some onion powder. For the onion powder, I am taking a whole onion, making the onion puree, and I will squeeze off all the water and will take the onion pulp as the onion powder and mix all this real good. Mix this without any lumps. Now the chicken has been marinated well for around 4 hours. And now I'll take a chicken piece out of the brine solution and we'll place this here and nicely coat this one. If you want, you can repeat this, dip this and repeat the process. Dust off the excess and put it aside. We'll roll this, dip one more time, dust off the excess, dust off the excess. And now this chicken is ready to fry. Let's lit on the fire and put a pan. Now add required amount of oil to deep fry the chicken and let the oil get heat. Remember, the oil should be around 170 degrees of heat. The oil seems to get heated well. Now let's add in the chicken. don't overcrowd the pan. And let's cook this for around 4 to 5 minutes on this side in a medium flame. Don't forget to fry this in a medium flame, or else the outer side will be very crispy but the inside will not cook clearly. And now let's flip the chicken. Be very careful. Let's once again flip the chicken and cook for another 2 minutes. And now the chicken is cooked completely. Let's plate this. Wow, look at this. This smells so amazing. It's time to taste. Actually, this is one of my favorite things on this planet. Look how beautifully it has been cooked. Perfectly crispy, and this is actually extra crispy, you can see. It's very tempting, I can't wait. I'm just trying it. Actually, whenever I eat this fried chicken in restaurants or any specialized stalls, they don't have that much of spice or salt in it. So that's why I make my own version, which is much more spicier, and believe me, it tastes much more better than the regular fried chickens. And look at the chicken, how juicy it is. Look. The chicken is very juicy and the meat is very moist. You definitely need to try this one. Here I go. As I promised, I shared my secret recipe of fried chicken with you. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching this video. We'll meet you in next session. Till then, your host Deepak signing off, and Jai Hind.